Unblock Telegram channel easy fix. Now, unblocking a Telegram channel that displays that this channel cannot be displayed due to content restrictions is pretty straightforward. Now, for this particular setting, we cannot use the application. The app does not have the option to fix this. So instead, what we do is we simply open our browser, and once we open our browser, we go to web.telegram.org and make sure to log into our account. Once we go to web.telegram.org and log into our respective account where the channels have been blocked, what you do is tap on the three lines icon located towards the top left of the screen, and from there you can go to the option called settings. Now, from this particular settings option, you'll come to this page where what you have to do is scroll down and select this option called privacy and security. From privacy and security, you can scroll down to the bottom, and here you can select the option called disable filtering. So by default, this will be unchecked and filtering is enabled. So what you do is you simply check this option to disable any sort of filtering that has been applied on your account. Now you can try to access those channels that were blocked by default. And this way you'll be able to unblock your Telegram channel. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.